Hello, welcome to the DeMi community. This is a complete guide on purchasing and staking the DeMi token. The whole process will take around 10 minutes. You just need to follow a few simple steps. Let's go through them in detail. Before starting, make sure you have MetaMask or Trust Wallet installed. To purchase DeMi, you'll need some currency in the BSC network, such as BNB, for purchasing tokens and a portion for covering network fees, commonly known as gas. Ensure that you have some BNB in your wallet to successfully complete transactions. This is necessary for covering transaction fees on the BNB network. Go to the DeMi website and log in through MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Our token is available on decentralized exchanges like 1inch and PancakeSwap. You can purchase it on either one. We'll go through an example using 1inch, and the purchase process through PancakeSwap is nearly identical. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the Buy DeMi section. Click Buy with 1inch. Connect your wallet, Trust or MetaMask, to the 1inch exchange through Connect Wallet. Choose, for example, MetaMask, and in the MetaMask interface, select the BNB network. If you already know how to do this, skip this step. Click on the name of the current network in the top left corner of the desktop interface. In the mobile app, this button is in the top center. Click Add Network. If the network isn't found in your MetaMask wallet search panel, you need to add it manually. Click Approve, then click Switch to BNB chain. To display DeMi tokens in your MetaMask wallet, you need to add them. Click Import Tokens. Paste the smart contract address to import the DeMi token. You can copy the address from the main page. Next, click Next, and then Import. You also need to add tokens to the 1inch interface using the DeMi ticker or smart contract address. Click the plus sign, enter the smart contract address in the search bar, which you copied from the main page in previous steps. When adding the DeMi token, you'll see a warning about potential risks. This is standard procedure as our token isn't yet on 1inch's main list. Just verify the token address and check that you understand and accept the risks. This is to protect you from adding counterfeit tokens. Next, select the amount of BNB you need to buy DeMi and click Swap. Remember to keep a small amount of BNB for network fees. The system will prompt you to swap BNB for WBNB, as 1inch uses the wrapped BNB token, which is compatible with DeFi protocols. Click Wrap BNB to WBNB and confirm the exchange in the MetaMask wallet interface. After that, you can swap WBNB for DeMi. Click Confirm Swap. Congratulations, you've purchased DeMi. Now your DeMi balance will be displayed in your MetaMask wallet. To receive your first mining rewards, you need to stake DeMi. It's very simple. Go to the dashboard on the website. You'll see the staking field. In the Address for Rewards field, paste your Bitcoin address, where you'll receive rewards. Then enter the number of tokens you want to stake and click Stake. You can track your rewards right here in your personal account. Congratulations, you've started earning Bitcoin. The minimum payout amount is 0.001 Bitcoin. If the amount is less than this, rewards will remain in your account balance and will be paid once this threshold is reached. After staking, your DeMi balance may not be visible in the wallet. To display it, enter the staking token smart contract address in the Import Tokens field. You can copy the address from the description under the video or from the purchase instructions in the How to Buy section on our website. Our support team works daily, ready to answer any questions and assist with token purchases. And to stay up to date with all the news, join our community on Telegram.